I'm walking right now because I have to go. Hi, yes, how are you? So I am walking to work. I have to get to work really fast, do something, and then I think I left my hair straightener on, so I have to go and turn my hair straightener off. I'm gonna go all the way home to do that because I am stupid. So I'm just gonna get this work stuff done, and then why is Matt's car here? Huh. Anyway, see what's going on. And then Twilight tonight. So excited. I can't wait to see this movie. Why I am so out of breath. That's so sad. So totally turns out that Matt was doing what I needed to do, so I like came to the station for nothing. Then I had to go home because I totally left my straightener on. So now I am getting ready to go to work, and we're gonna go see the Twilight. And I'm really excited, so we're just gonna drive there, and then I will update. Okay, bye. So I put my fingers in and stuff. I always get her from the waist down, or from the neck down. Right, braces? Yeah, okay. So anyways, we're at the Twilight premiere. It's not a premiere. What is this? It's a screening on the IMAX screen. And so that's my microphone that I haven't been going to be talking on, but I'm not going to get it on tape, which is kind of sad. And then we have Amanda, and then Brace Place. And they're going to be throwing all these cries at us. And then we're going to watch the movie, and then... What? I'll tell you. Okay, so I thought I'd show you how many people are here. We're gonna be really sneaky about it, and I'm gonna cover the red light. I don't know if you saw that, but there's a lot of people. And then that's the screen. And there's our exit shot. Look at that.